Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anushka and for today's video we are gonna make pasta. So I have taken 2 glass of water and 1 bowl of pasta and some salt and 1 tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoon of oil. We have just added oil because it just makes it fluffy and we just doesn't stick to each other, so that it just helps to just make our pasta really good. So our pasta's got bubbles. It's half cooked. You can just see the water is boiling. Now I have just flame it on low flame. Now I have just you can just see I have just low to medium flame, and now our pasta is cooked. I'm just taking out into a strain. Now I'm just gonna let it down to just get dry. Take a kadhai. Inside of it, I'm just gonna put 3 tablespoons of oil. And 1 tablespoon of jeera. Now I'm adding 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, or you can just say chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic. And we have to saute it till just it gets dry.